Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix an error occur while starting Roblox problem. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. This solution helps resolve any Roblox issue guys. First we need to clear Roblox cache files. To clear Roblox cache files from our browser, open up Chrome. Select the three dot icon over here and select settings guys. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down and select third party cookies, and you just need to scroll down again and select see all site data and permissions. In here you just need to search for Roblox. Select the trash icon and clear it guys. Now we have cleared the Roblox crash files from our browser guys. After clearing it, close out of here. Now let's clear Roblox cache files from our computer guys. To do this, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. Now you just need to click on temp folder over here, double click on it, and now just need to search for Roblox folder. Right click on the Roblox folder and select delete it guys. Now we have cleared Roblox cache files guys. Now we need to run Roblox as an admin. To do this, close out of here, right click on the Roblox player, select properties, select the compatibility tab, and in here you just need to check mark the run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now check your problem resolved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also subscribe me and support me. Thank you.